What's up, traders? All right, we're just going to skip the intro today and get right into today's crude oil trades. So we were able to make some money today, but more importantly, let's discuss what went on and what was my process for today. So overnight, this is overnight session over here on the left side in the shaded area. And we were definitely uptrending overnight, right? Coming into the open right here at 9 o'clock, New York Standard, Eastern Standard Time, right? So we were definitely uptrending overnight. We got up to 60.73, and this level you see marked 60.61, which this was a high from November 13th. November 13th, 2018, so a few months ago. And it's pretty interesting how we kind of just tagged that level and reverted back down and just consolidated for the rest of the day. So that could have been a nice target that was reached, and then there was, obviously less opportunity for the session. But coming into the session, my notes, I was pretty bullish above this 60.15 level. And it was way above there at the open, so I didn't really want to buy it this high, because price was pretty extended higher, right? Buyers could be getting pretty exhausted up here. So another thing I was looking for was weak buying past this level, which occurred, right? Sellers popped in and got more aggressive at these levels, simply because buyers weren't willing to pay $60.60, right? Buyers were less inclined to purchase here at these prices. So buyers got weaker, sellers got more aggressive, and as a result, we reverted back to a prior value area. And so how did I play this? Let's put on my trades. It was kind of a very short-term scalp trade, short, right? So when price came back into this value area, I simply had a target of the other side, 59.79. So let's see what my first entry was. My first entry was here at 59. No, my first entry was here at 60. Right here at 60, I shorted a little too early. Could have waited for a turn instead of shorting a wick, which didn't turn out to be a wick, clearly. So the first one was stopped out pretty quick for 4 ticks, but I'm trading 2 contracts, so 8. So minus 80 right there. And then I saw something on my other chart which was pretty interesting, and it was a great short opportunity. So I put on another, I re-entered and got a lower price, actually 59.97 right here. And I had a target simply right here, 59.79. And I got out fairly quickly. So I entered around 10:32. Exited around 10:44, 12 minutes. This trade made me 340. So 340 minus 80, 260 for the day, as you can see right here, 260. And right here, if you're looking at this, this is the amount of contracts that was traded on crude oil today. 662,000. What is this? June? Yeah, we're on June contracts. So 662,000 June, or no, this is May. So 662,000 May contracts were traded today. That is a lot of contracts. But yeah, so that was kind of my trade today. I took a quick scalp on this downtrend. I don't want to say downtrend, just down move, as we got pretty balanced in between this area, right? So yeah, and another reason was buyers were pretty weak right here. If we look down here on the order flow, Nice spike in price, but buyers didn't really do much. So I took that re-entry right there. There was another clue on another chart that I was looking at, and yeah, I simply took it for a quick 17 cent move. And that was it for the day. Not a lot of other opportunities that caught my eye. And yeah, I didn't really want to go with the short right away up here at the open because of this strong movement overnight. So I was very patient today, which I give myself props to, because usually I'm done before 10. But in this case, I didn't start until like 10:30, or like 10. The first trade was at 10:28. So kudos to myself. Pat myself on the back for being patient today. Patience pays, as you can see. Again, it wasn't my favorite trade. It was just, I identified a nice opportunity to be in and out pretty quickly. And yeah. So that was my crude oil trade for today. Not too exciting, not a big move. Like I said, I didn't want to just short right here as price got to that target 60.61 because it was pretty strong overnight. If we check it out, very strong buying, and then come open, those buyers disappeared. So yeah. That's crude oil for today. I hope you guys had a green week, and enjoy your weekend. I will see you guys on Monday. Peace.